Remove this bracket at line 8. Line 8. Go up. Yeah. Yes, and give a curly bracket here at line 5. Line 5. Yeah, and remove the closing one. Remove this one at line 7. Yes. Yeah, and remove the spaces. The extra spaces at line 7, 8. Okay. Now save your code.
Okay.
Okay, now let's try and let's check. Create a new account.
Description is not.
Okay, now yes, and rating, give the all required fields. Wait. SLA none. Make some yes. Serial number as well. Okay. Now rating equals to hot. Okay. Now give the billing street. No, don't type here. Only yes, only here.
Sorry. Oh.
Okay. Yeah, and remove this. Wait. Remove the street, shipping city. Remove that thing. Okay. Yes. Now save. Save. Where is billing address? Why billing address is coming null?
Don't know, Prashant. Maybe because of this one, like this.
Go into the into Salesforce UI. Okay, give me the control then. Meanwhile, other please try unit testing this code in your org.
Okay. Prashant, like I had a concern here. So in the code, account dot billing address is equal to account dot shipping address given, no? So here in the unit testing part, we are giving all the shipping address as null and billing address as something. So
Oh
that is the reason.
yes, you are right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so okay, so our unit testing was wrong. Right, you are right.
Unit testing. Yeah.
And by the way, Sultan, Matri, where are you guys?
Testing.
So you have not even they told us that the testing is going on wrong. Okay, now create one record. Sultan, if your girlfriend is messaging you, then kindly message her. No, I'm
Coming as no from me.
something very important.
Yeah. I'm listening. Yeah.
Okay. Give shipping at give shipping street. Shipping is street. Shipping is street.
Not here?
Not here. Not in billing. Remove the billing. Make it blank. Now save. Scroll down. See, the proper address is coming now. Thanks, Abhishek.
Mm,
You are the only one who is very attentive
Yeah,
in class.
like I'm like I don't know like I am thinking right or not. So I thought like so whatever the right side things will be assigned to left side, no?
Right.
So
You're right. You're
yeah,
right.
yeah,
So go to code now. And before that, see your shipping address is exactly the same in the billing address, and that in the description as well.
Best.
Okay. Now go to the code.
okay.
And Abhishek, you are right. So
yeah, okay.
here, what we are doing is for the new record, we are creating a trigger, and we tested at line number 9 that if the rating of the account is hot, then we are assigning the shipping address into billing address, shipping street into billing street, shipping city into billing city. Same way, in the description we are putting the all these data which is in the billing street, billing city, with a space into description.
Mm, okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
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 Any doubt?
Yeah, okay. Prashant.
Okay. Maitri,
Yeah, okay.
So it's not updating, right? Only inserting this one.
no, we are not updating.
Uh,
We are not updating.
Mm.
just for the new account.
Or just okay.
But you can make this code for updating as well. I mean, when you're updating the record as well.
Oh, okay, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now one task. Abhishek, I know you can do this, but just for the division of the Purnima, Sultan, and Maitri. Now, write and I'm giving the same code. I'm not making any change here. Now, for the new as well as for the existing, if the rating is hot, put shipping address into billing address.
Mm. Put shipping address into
If rating is
New and existing. Yeah.
shipping address into billing address.
Yes.
And then
Shipping,
billing to
and
description.
billing address into description with account rating and account industry. Now, I am sure that this will not take much time. So write the code right away.
So account rating and industry mean
industry.
so account rating and industry.
Yes, along
Yeah.
with the billing address, you have to give the rating of the account as well as industry into description. So I'm waiting for your working code, and I'm giving you just 5 minutes.
The values, right? That
Uh,
billing address values. With those values, you need to add additionally industry and rating as well.
Yeah.
okay.
It came.
Yes, why?
I got the output.
You got the output? Okay, wait for the Purnima.
Yeah.
Purnima, remove this 15 and 16 line.
Okay.
Okay. And at line 16, At the end, give plus sign. At
Yeah.
line 16,
Yeah.
yeah, give the plus sign. Plus. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Now again give the plus. Plus.
Yep.
Yeah. Now write ACC dot industry.
Rating, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to write that one. Okay, but I did mistake it 15, 16.
Yes. Now again.
Okay. Account rating.
Yes, the rating. Line terminator. Save your code and test your code. Wait. Let the code get saved.
Yeah, I saved it actually.
It is saved. Okay. Okay. Mathri,
Yeah, I will share.
you will share. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will start with after trigger.
Mm.
Okay, can you release Purnima so
wait,
I can share?
Wait. Let her test
Hello.
the code. Let her complete the unit testing.
Mm.
Give
Okay,
industry.
then.
Give industry.
Yeah.
I will try.
Shipping street and shipping address completely. You have to give.
Here I can't.
Save. That will do up automatically. You not
Yeah.
to do it.
Overwrite, yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, anyone has any confusion, any doubt?
I had a concern like here why we are writing plus quotation marks and plus for concatenating two field values.
Okay. Now, okay, let me take the control.
To display this
This is
string or I don't know.
no. Let me tell you. This is I'm just using for the space.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now test the code again.
Okay.
We have to.
Oh.
We have to change the heating and to something else, and then again to the hot.
Prashant bhai, in
Yes.
between the bracket, if you put any character, it will display that character also, right?
Right.
So do I do with
Wait.
new record?
Wait. Yeah, you can. Yes.
So are we changing anything else?
We
No.
are not changing any condition. We are just the testing it.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will first start with our debugging, how to debug the code, and then with the after trigger.
Okay, Prashant.
Okay.
Not into the address will be shipping, not into billing.
Yeah, actually, automatically
Yeah.
came.
Google.
Yeah. It's done. And
Give SLA number and save. Duplicate records.
Number.
Give some
Give 4 or 6 something. Yeah.
Phone number also.
phone number as well.
oh, okay.
Use some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, phone number.
Phone number?
Yeah, phone number also you need to give. I think it's not
Website also. Yeah.
ABC@.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's okay.
We'll recognize.
Oh, these are also mandatory for this record.
No.
No.
This one?
No,
No, I guess if
No.
you say.
you can say now.
Okay.
Even if there is address in the billing address, it should overwrite, right?
Oh,
It is actually finding the duplicate account. Go up. Okay, save and new ignore alert, or
yeah. Can we see an existing one as well, right?
yeah, you can.
Rating. Hot. And else?
Address.
Shipping address.
Shipping address only?
It's cool. This way.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
This one.
done.
It should give space. Space is there, yeah.
Okay, so you can this way you can create your own scenario by yourself. Practice before trigger. If you find some scenario which is you are not able to do, let me know, so that tomorrow when we start, we will first discuss your queries, then the debugging, and then the after trigger.
Okay.
Okay, Prashant.
Any confusion?
No, Prashant.
Okay, so Maitri,
Yeah.
any confusion?
No.
Okay, Purnima,
Yeah, all good, Prashant.
all good. Okay, Sultan.
All good.
Okay, bro. So practice is make the different scenarios, whichever you whatever comes in your mind, because now you are a developer and there's no foundation. accept the governor limit. Okay, so make different scenario. You know why we use the before trigger. Okay, so that you have a hold over it. Okay,
Okay.
all right. Bye. Take care.